Hey guys, welcome to episode 61 of Portfolio Update. I hope you guys are having an amazing Thursday so far. So we are currently down 3.7% for the day, or $260. Not too much of a pullback, but tomorrow is going to be what really decides how the week is. I do think that hopefully it'll be good. Ticker symbol change for Shell is anticipated for tomorrow. And even off of that, had a pretty tough day. It had some recovery after hours, but it could not hold on to that, and currently it's down around 9.3%. I'm down $319 from my 69 shares, and then for my calls, my calls are pretty much decimated. They're down 97% overall, or 80% just for today. Depending on how Shell does, it's gonna be a huge factor in my thoughts and thesis for SPAQ. And surprisingly, SPAQ had a very solid day. I'm guessing some of the Shell money went into SPAQ. I don't know, but it's up around 3.8%. And for my 217 shares, I'm up $119. My call option didn't change because it's currently down 89% overall. Should be interesting. Shell will definitely affect how I view SPAQ, and I'm assuming how a lot of other people view SPAQ. Workhorse also had a pullback you could say, but after hours it pulled through and is up almost 2%. It seems like that contract is not happening this month. I don't know. I'm probably gonna sell my contracts, I guess. I wish that I wouldn't have to, but one of them is expired worthless, and the other is it's getting there. So I'll see how tomorrow is, but most likely I will be selling these two. Probably won't get any. I won't be able to sell the $30, but maybe the $25 call. It is technically in the money, so yeah, I'll probably sell that. But yeah, pretty meh day. Moving up and down $200 isn't too crazy in my portfolio, but Shell did have a pretty big pullback, so that's kind of worrisome. Hopefully it's the pullback before the huge run up tomorrow, but I don't know. Hopefully things go how I expect it, but I'm just thinking of last week and how I expected last week to go, and my portfolio actually having itself. So I'm questioning my own theses right now. So tomorrow will be very enlightening on how the rest of my investing style and thesis building goes. But yeah, quick video. Let's check in on IVR. IVR is currently up today. It's up around 1.34%. Not bad. My calls are down 2% for today. Overall, it's 74%. But all of these are 2021 and 2022 calls, so I'm not worried about these. You just hold them and don't look. Thinking back on it, I had some good calls, like that Shell call. That made me around $2,000, I believe, and pretty much I used that money to invest to buy more calls, and pretty much I've lost most of that money that I made from Shell, from that Shell call. So it's a learning experience. I didn't use the initial value. I just took from that profit, but it still hurts, if I hadn't done the Tesla call, if I hadn't done some of these other calls, or even with that Tesla call, if I had sold, if I had listened to people telling me that, I would have been fine, but I did not, and it's a lesson, and I think that in itself is a investment in like future investments. So it's all for the greater good, I guess. But yeah, not so bad so far. We're recovering overall this week. Hopefully, the last few Fridays have been very solid, but this Friday might be. Honestly, it's a toss up for me. Um, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with episode 62 of Portfolio Update. I expect it to be good, but I'm not going to say that because I don't want to jinx myself. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with episode 61. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you really enjoyed, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to make these more short and concise, as well as I have way less time to be making these. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Deuce.